Hey guys, I think this is my first video in quite some time on this page. I have been challenged to engage you guys more because we are all going for some amazing goals this year. So if you are going for some goals, whatever they are, I would love to hear about them. You can post where you are watching from and just one goal that you are shooting for in 2018. My goal is to earn a trip for my husband and I for our 15th anniversary. So I am working hard. And so one of the challenges that I have been given is to talk to you guys about what I love about the product. I mean, I throw pictures out there and I'm always showing my catalog, but I wanted to talk to you about how much I love this product. All of our bags are so awesome, but I want to tell you about this one bag that I carry all the time. It is the Away We Go roller, and it was a Hostess exclusive in our last catalog. This time, I think I have lint in my hair. That's attractive. This time, this month, it is not available in the catalog, but this month, the month of March, which is seriously March Madness, there's so much going on. I don't even know if I can remember all of it, but this month, this bag is a Hostess exclusive for parties. So, or for anyone who, if you collect enough orders or anything like that. So I love this bag. It is a travel bag, but I carry it. I take it with me a couple of times a week because it's also a great bag for my school. So I have, I'm a homeschooler, and I think homeschooling is a misnomer. We are almost always gone. And so I take my school with me a lot of places where I go. So I have my calendar in here. My calendar is very important because it tells me what I have to do next. I have my Sanctuary Girl calendar in here. So if you don't know about that, that's my my prayer journal. I use it as a prayer journal. I have my worksheets and things that I do for my school. And I've already emptied some things. Today I have my glamour case, which is actually full. I'll show it to you because I know this is another product I should feature. I have my washi tape and scissors and stickers and things like that that I use for my calendar. So this is the perfect thing for that. I have my journal that I use. I have, of course, catalogs. I usually have my planner for, here it is. I'll leave it up there. My planner for my homeschool challenge A. I have some extraneous paper that just fell out of there because I pulled that out. And I even have my Bible and a couple of wipes and things like that. So that's in that. And there's way more space than that. There's also a front pocket. So this is the bag. I'm going to move slower because my thing is getting. There's also a front pocket. I have dry erase markers and bookmarks and different prizes that I give to my students that I tutor, as well as to my kids. This is the Away We Go roller. Now this print is no longer available, but the roller in 2 different prints is available as a Hostess exclusive this month. This is super awesome, not only because I can pick it up and throw it over my shoulder. Sorry for the bad service. Pick it up and throw it over my shoulder. But I can also roll it like this. So if it is heavy, which it often is, I can roll it and take it with me wherever I go. So if you would like to get your hands on this product, I'm sitting on the floor. If you would like to get your hands on this product, it is only available this month. You still have 2 weeks to book a party with me. And if you just can't get around to booking a party with me, no worries. You can grab a catalog or 2 and take it to work, take it to church, take it to your soccer event or your play practice. Gather enough orders for a party and you will get the same rewards as if you had a home party. Now, one last thing before I let you go. March is double Hostess credit month. So starting at a $500 party, all of the free credit that you get doubles. For a $500 party, you normally get $90 in free credit to shop the catalog. $500 is our average party. This month, for a $500 party, you would get $180 to shop the catalog with, and it goes up from there. In addition to that, when you hit $600, you get a special hostess bundle package that you can purchase. So you are going to want to look into our March Madness specials and offers. It really is a really great deal. So thank you guys for being on the Parties and Gifts page. Be sure to subscribe to the notifications on this page as we begin to do more prizes and outreach and things like that. And if you're not in my clubhouse, make sure you join my clubhouse, because that's where I can offer you some serious discounts and prizes. So the Parties and Gifts Clubhouse is on Facebook. Just search for it and ask to join, and you will be added to my VIP customer group called the Clubhouse. All right. I love you guys. Thank you all for being on the page and following us. And thank you for being on this 31 journey with me. Our family truly does appreciate your business. Have a great day.